Hello, welcome to this important tutorial. I'm going to share with you how to use a very important inbuilt Windows tool to screenshot any image, document on your Windows screen instead of using your phones to do that. I will also share with you how to screen record videos, audios from anywhere, whether on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, using your computer. This particular tool is free of charge. It's already installed in your system. You don't need to pay for it. And it does not also use internet, so it's very important and very simple to learn. The name of this important tool is Snipping tool. If you have Windows 11 or Windows 10, I can assure you that you already have it in your Windows. You only need to know how to make use of it. If you're a content creator, I think this tool will really help you, as you don't need to spend money to go for big softwares like OBS and Clipchamp and so many others. You can easily use this to start off as a beginner in content creation. Let's go there. The first thing you have to do to bring up this tool is to go to your Windows search bar and type Snipping tool. Snipping, Snipping tool. And it will pop up as you can see. Just click open. But before then, let me just bring up a picture that I want to screenshot. Like I said earlier, you don't need to use your Android phone or your smartphone to take a picture from your desktop. You can use this important tool to do that at no cost, as is offline. Let's assume that I want to take the picture of this image that is displayed on my screen. The only thing I need to do is to go to my Windows search bar and type Snipping tool. Snipping, Snipping tool, and it will pop up as you can see. Just click open, and you can take the picture from here straight away by clicking the second line that says Take a new screenshot. But if you use this particular feature, you are going to take the picture of everything that is displayed on your PC screen or your Windows, as the case may be. For instance, all these signs will be captured. You can do that, and then maybe afterward, you can also edit the picture. But the best way to do it is to click open, and then you have this snipping tool interface that will come up. You have this record tab. I will talk about that and show you how to use it. Make sure to watch to the end because that's the best part of this tutorial. To screenshot our image, select this camera icon here. It says Snip. Click the plus sign here behind it, and this plus icon will just come up. And you can see from the background the image that we want to take a screenshot of. So, the only thing you have to do is to gently press the left-hand side of your mouse and highlight the area you want to screenshot, and drag accordingly. You can see how I'm doing it. Only highlight the area of the image you want to screenshot. Once you have selected the area you want to take the picture of, gently release your finger from the left side of your mouse, and I can assure you the picture or the screenshot is taken. This is it. You can see the screenshot. So instead of using Android phone, you can see we've taken the image without wasting time. You can see the image. And let me show you how to use some of the features here. You see your image, you can crop it. Let's start with the cropping, because if I want to reduce like this white background here, I can just click crop, and you can drag you and then click apply. You can see now that the picture has reduced in size. If I also want to highlight some areas in this image, I can click this, and there are colors I can use. Let me assume I want to use which color? Just pick it from here. Same thing applies to any other color you may like to use. You want to use red? Click red. You can then highlight the area. Also, if you want to remove the highlight, you can just click erase, and you can see it's gone. So that's how to make use of it. If you want to get a ballpoint pen, you can click here. You can see the way I'm doing it. So you can use this to highlight anywhere in the image. You can use it to draw anything on the image. If you want to remove it, you just click this eraser and it's done. So that's how to go about it. And if you want to do more editing, you can as well go to your Paint. If you click on it, it will bring up so many more tools for you. For instance, you can see if I want to maybe write, I can just click on the pencil icon here. Click on it to select the color you want to write with. let's go with white. You can use it to write anything on the image. So if you want to do a brush, you can. If you want to put a text, you can as well click here and select the type, whether Times numeral, whichever font you want. You can just do that right away. You can as well edit and put your write-up anywhere on the image. Let's write the bird name, lyrebird. That's the name of this bird that is showing here. You can see it's written. If you want it to be in yellow, you can just select yellow, and you can see it is selected. If you also want to fill the area, you can click here. I hope you see what I'm doing. You can do the filling here with yellow. I hope you can see it. Using this paint is another tutorial itself. If you want to erase whatever you've done, you just come here and maybe clean part of this bird. I can click here if I want to erase part of the mouth. And once you've done this, you can always click apply.
You can add shapes as well. I think this is another feature that is also inbuilt into the snapping tool. So that's how to go about it. So let's leave here. If you want to save your work, just click save here and save it on your desktop or in your document folder. Like I said earlier, you have so many features in Paint, and you can also make use of Paint without even going through the snipping tool. So if you want to save this particular image, just click save icon here and you'll be prompted whether to save it on your desktop or your document, and then give it a name and click save, and it will be saved in the location you want it to be saved. So that's how to go about it. Let me show you more on this. You can also click close here and you'll be prompted and be taken to where you will save it. Like I said earlier, I don't want to save this. Let me just bring up a Word document and also show you that you can also snap any documents, whether on the internet, offline, anywhere. You can just take a picture of any document you feel you need that will be of use to you in the future, and without using your Android phone. Take for instance this write-up. This is a Word document. If I want to take a screenshot of this document, what I need to do is to come to my search bar here and type snipping tool as we did before. You can take it directly here like I said earlier, but it will take the entire desktop. So clicks open, and here you can see the camera icon is already selected. Click plus sign as we did before, and then you can see the document from the background. Just select or highlight the area you want to screenshot and gently press the left button of your mouse and drag to the area you want to screenshot, and gently lift your finger from the left side of the mouse, and I can tell you the picture is taken. You can see it. This is an image. The Word document is now taken as a picture, as you can see. So this is it.
This is the original document. This is the image you just took. Let me just remove the main one. This is the image you just took now. So for you to just save it, you can also do so many editing here. For instance, if I want to highlight some area in the document, I can just come here, just click here in any color. Let me pick red for it. I can just highlight this. If I want to use ballpoint pen, that will make it smaller. You just click on this and you can see it's done. And you can also crop the documents. You can reduce size. Click on crop icon here and reduce the size, then click apply, and you can see it's done. So to save the document, just click here. You can also do more editing in Paint, like I said earlier, but that is another tutorial for another day. So click this save option here, and you will be taken to where you will save your document on the desktop, your documents, or in download folder. Give it a name and it will be saved as JPEG. Click save and you are good to go. So that's how to go about it. If this is really new to you and you are making benefit out of it, please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Many people will need this kind of video. This is already built into your system, so you are not paying for it and you don't need internet to use this tool. I'm going to show you the most interesting part of this tool that many people don't know, especially new content creators. Some of them are just spending big money to use big softwares to do their content creation. But you can use this tool to do anything as far as content creation is concerned. So let me show you how to use the snipping tool to screen record your videos. Let me bring up a video here to show you how to do the recordings. You can see I have a video. It can be from the Facebook, it can be from YouTube, any place. You can screen record any video. Let me pause it. If I want to record this video, I don't need another software. I don't need to install any software. I will just go to my Windows search bar and type snipping tool and click open. This time around, I'm going to make use of this record option. You can see it, record. You can see record showing up here. You can easily use these by just pressing your Windows and the Shift plus R to start recording, as you can see displayed. That's the keyboard shortcut option. But to make use of this, just click the plus icon like we did for screenshots. Click on it, and then you'll be prompted to select the area you want to record, whether it is the entire screen or a particular area within the video. So let's just start from here. Just lightly press the left side of your mouse and select the area you want to screen record, and once you've highlighted the area, gently release your finger and you can see the selected area. To start recording, just go up here and press Start tab. And I can tell you, it will start counting, then recording is on now. Let me play the video now. You can add voiceover by unmuting your microphone. Just click on the microphone icon to start voice recording as well. Let me just say something now as I unmute the mic. You can also unmute your Windows audio by clicking on this icon. Our video didn't start talking from the start. Let's now stop the screen recording by clicking on the stop button. Once you click stop, the recorded video is automatically saved on the screen. Let's play it. It didn't start talking from the start.
Yes, the recording is on now. You can see it's recording this. Let's just start playing.
You hear the sound of a camera shutter clicking. A moment later, it sounds like a car alarm is going off, followed by the buzz of a chainsaw cutting through the tree.
You can also edit it in Clipchamp or Canva if you want. To save your recorded video, click the save icon here and you'll be directed to where you will save it. So that's how simple Snipping tool is. I use it for many of my content creation. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, like and share the videos with your friends who might need this. Don't forget to drop your questions as I will gladly respond to them. Thanks.